Hello students, now we'll study the MySQL delete statement. The MySQL delete statement is used to delete data from a table. The following is the syntax of the delete statement. Delete from the name of the table followed by the where condition. The delete statement will delete rows that match the condition in the where clause. Okay. The where clause is optional. If you omit the where clause, the delete statement will delete all the rows in the table. Besides deleting data from the table, the delete statement returns the number of deleted rows. Let's look at some MySQL delete statement examples. Suppose you want to delete employees whose office number is 4. Then you use the delete statement with the where clause as shown in the following query. The query can be written as delete from the name of the table employees where office code equal to 4. What this will do is to delete all the employees in the employees table whose office code is 4. Suppose you want to delete all the rows from the employee table, then you use the delete statement without a where clause as follows. You simply specify the name of the table following the keywords delete from. So the query will be delete from employees. Next, we'll look at how the MySQL delete and limit clause can be used. So if you want to limit the number of rows to delete, then you can use the limit clause as follows. So the syntax for it is delete from the name of the table followed by limit keyword and the number of rows. So what this will do is it will limit the number of rows that you are deleting. So instead of deleting all the rows, it will delete only the number of rows that you specify in the row count. Note that the order of rows in a table is unspecified. Therefore, when you use the limit clause, you must always use the order by clause. So the syntax for that will then become delete from the name of the table, order by the column names. So for example, C1, C2, dot, followed by the limit row count. So you can specify the number of rows that you want the delete statement to work for. For example, the following statement sorts the customers by customer names alphabetically and deletes the first 10 customers. So what this will do is it will delete the customer from the customers table, okay, 10 rows, okay, after the customer names are ordered by this column name, that is customer names. So therefore the first 10 customers will be deleted. Thank you for listening.